Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is a very special video because it's a haul video guys, and I know how much you love haul videos. So by now you guys all know the drill. If you like this video, you have to press the like button. If you have any comments, any any feedbacks, any suggestions, just drop it in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, go subscribe it now. And if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Ayushi, and if you want to stick around, please subscribe my channel and watch all the videos. Okay guys, so I have these huge boxes of Zara with me, and I'm going to show you all the pieces that I have ordered from Zara and H&M also. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so the first dress that I have with me is this one. I just love the color of this dress, and look at these sleeves. It has, I think it's a 3/4 sleeve, and also it has this stretchy band at your waistline, so it will keep you cinched in properly. And also it has these few layers at the bottom. I love the neckline also, but I think it's going to be a deep neck. I don't know, you can pair it with your high knee boots also, and it's a perfect color for this fall season right now. And let's just try it on and see how it looks. So this is how it looks guys, and oh my god, I'm in love with this dress. I think this dress is just perfect for this fall season which is going on. I mean, just look at this dress. I love everything about it. I mean, the neckline is so beautiful. Also this dress keeps me in places. It cinches me so beautifully. Also, I have paired this dress with my knee-high boots. So I just love it. I mean, I'm gonna this dress a 10 out of 10. Alright, the next dress that I have with me is this one. This one is also from Zara, and just look at this. I love this pattern. I mean, I was searching for this floral kind of a dress from a very long time, and now I have my hands on this dress. So this one has these puffy sleeves. Also it comes with this shoulder pads inside, and it will give you a structure to your shoulders also. But if you are not a fan of these structured dresses or these shoulder padding, so you might want to stay away from it. Well, the neckline of this dress is quite deep, and also it has these as you can see, these buttons. I don't know if it is visible in the camera or not. So yeah, it has these few buttons over here, and also there is smocking at the back and on the sleeves also. So yeah, I think I should try it and see how it's gonna look. So this is how it looks guys, and I am in love with this dress, and I mean, I'm just obsessed with it. Look how cute this dress is looking. These puffy sleeves, oh my god, it is super cute. I mean, and this is how it looks from the back. I love everything about this dress. Also I have paired this with my boots only. So yeah, I think it's quite cute, right? It's such a cute dress. So I think I'm gonna give this dress also a 10 on 10. So let's move on to the next dress guys, and this is the next dress that I have with me. This one is also from Zara, and the size that I have ordered is small. So this one has also these very tiny shoulder paddings over here, as you can see, and the sleeves are quite interesting. I love such kind of sleeves also. Again, the neckline of this dress is quite deep, so you might need to wear something underneath. Also there's a side zipper over here to give you that proper shape, and there are two belt loops over here, so it comes with this belt. And I'm just going to put it on and see how is it gonna look. Ta-da! I mean, look at this dress guys. I mean, I am in love with this dress. I'm in absolute love with it. Look how beautiful this dress is. I think I should take a moment to appreciate this dress. This is so beautiful. I mean, this slit, it gives a proper that elegance to this dress. This dress is so elegant, so pretty, and oh my god, I just can't take my eyes off myself right now. It's just beautiful. You can wear it to your corporate dinners or any kind of a party. It's just a perfect fit for me, and I'm gonna give this dress an 11 out of 10 for sure. Right, so the next dress is quite interesting. I mean, I haven't tried this sort of a dress in my entire life. So I just wanted to give it a try and see how is it, if I can pull it off or not. So here it goes. This one is also from Zara, and oh my god, this dress is so extra, I can't tell you. Just look at all this sequin work over here and these puffy sleeves. I mean, there's nothing to not like about this dress, but I don't know, I haven't really tried this sort of a dress. And what I like the most about this dress is this ruching effect, this ruching thing at the front. Also, the neckline is not too deep, so you can wear it without any issues. The only thing that I'm concerned about right now is the sequin work, because when it touches your skin it might get scratchy, and I'm really not a fan of such things. But just look at this dress. I mean, it's so it has so much of bling, and so many things are going on with this dress right now. Anyways, I'm just going to put it on and see how is it gonna look on me. No! Oh my god, look at this dress. I mean, it looks beautiful, no doubt it looks beautiful, but as my mom said, to Diwali ki light lag rahi hai abhi bilkul. So yeah, I mean, I don't think that I'm a person to wear this kind of a dress, but if you are, you should definitely go for it. I mean, look at the fit of this dress. The fit is so perfect. Also, I was concerned about this sequin work over here because it could get scratchy and it could irritate you after a while. So I don't think that's a huge problem with this dress. But yeah, if you are rubbing your hand against your dress, then yeah, of course you can get some scratchy marks over your hand. But otherwise, this dress is so elegant. You can wear it to your parties, and if you want to stand out in any kind of function, then this is a dress for you. And it's a steal deal. I mean, I think I can think of keeping this dress with me, and I just love this dress. I don't know what is not there to love about it, but everything is in place. I mean, I love this dress. I think I can give it a try and keep this dress with me even. So yeah, I think I should give this dress of course 10 on 10. Alright, the next item that I have with me is this top, and this one is from H&M. I just love the color of this top, and it's a crop top basically, and it has some this smocking thing going on the back side, and I just love these puffed sleeves. The neckline of this top is very beautiful. It has a square neck, and I am in love with it. Also, the quality of this net is very nice. It's a fine net, guys. So I'm just gonna give it a try and see how's it gonna look. So this is how it looks, guys, and I am in love with this top actually. The color is so beautiful, the neckline is so beautiful, and yes, of course I love these puffy sleeves over here. Also, I have paired it with my black jeggings. You can pair it up with your any kind of a skirt or a blue jeans. That would go perfectly with this top. This is how it looks from the back. So I love everything about this top, and I think I'm gonna give this a 10 on 10, of course. So this is it, guys. I hope you all liked this video and also these outfits, and I'm going to see you super soon. Bye.